guys, it's your girl Bonnie, and today kita like join this outfit. The outfit that I'm wearing, I'm going to show you guys how I made it. Because like I used a top to make this two-piece set. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, I'm wearing all white, including the bag and also my gloves. These fishnet gloves in the they are like my favorite. They are my favorite. Yeah. So outfit man, it's hot. Outfit is hot. Because like yeah. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you what I did the journey. And then if you only new to my channel, do subscribe. You guys, I pretty much appreciate that. And then if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my channel. And yeah guys, let's get right into the video.